The first S, sort, has to do with sorting out, separating what you need from what you don't need. So what kind of things you don't need? Maybe it's something that it's already done and you didn't store it. Maybe it's something that you used and you don't use anymore. Maybe it's something that is broken. So whenever you have these things that are undone, that you didn't finish, and you see them around, they distract you. They keep the focus out of the important things that you have to do. So imagine you go to your desk and you see over your desk lots of documents, and you don't clearly see what is done, what needs to be prepared, and why are they there. So the main reason why sort is so important to you is because it helps you to focus, to prioritize on what you have to do and what you don't have to do anymore. So the first part is, please look around you and try to see what are the things that you don't need anymore. Just remove them, sort them out.